We've received very positive feedback on the new lights so far. Residents are noticing that the LEDs provide better nighttime visibility and the fixtures project light downward where and when we need the light and not into the night sky. We're now really seeing Chicago in a whole new light. The project is a testament to the vision and the leadership of Mayor Emanuel, and the mayor has also made sure that this program is providing work for Chicagoans. More than half of the light fixtures that are being installed in the first year of the project are being assembled right here at Lyons View on the west side of the city of Chicago.
Our company believes in creating opportunity. Each contract we participate in to contribute to that exact mission. That's why we're proud to partner with the City of Chicago's Smart Lighting. Chicago's conversion to energy efficient street lighting has allowed us to add 8 new members to the Lyons View team, including some ex-offenders as well. Thanks to partners like the City of Chicago, Amoresco, John Burns Construction, and ComEd, we're proud to announce that next week we'll even be opening a new facility on the south side. And that's the sense of pride found here at Lyons View and the Will Group.
By investing in improving our neighborhood with a new amenity, LED lighting, we created manufacturing jobs here on the west side and on the south side. As we invest in making sure we have modern trains and buses for the CTA, Freeman Seating Company added a couple hundred people who are now building for the first time ever at the Freeman Seating the seats that we use at our CTA buses. And this morning I was on the phone with the CEO of Ford Motor. As we improve our police department and invest in our police department, we'll have new cars that come out of the Ford facility on the south side of the city of Chicago. So the investment in our infrastructure, the investment in the future of the city of Chicago is actually being built here in the city of Chicago, and we get a double bonus for the city. Not only an improvement in LED lights, but they're made and assembled here in the city of Chicago. That is how you actually leverage your dollars, and each of the aldermen have been a contributor to that idea of making these investments and then leveraging those investments to actually create jobs here in the city of Chicago.